How to view supplier transaction details in AAAPOS RetailManager. AAAPOS RetailManager maintains a detailed record of transactions made by each supplier, including stock items supplied, goods received, goods returned and stock items on order. To view supplier transaction details, go to the Information menu and choose Suppliers, or press Ctrl+P. The Suppliers window appears. Enter the supplier number or name in the supplier field, and press Enter. In addition to the Contact 1 and Contact 2 tabs, which are described in How to create a supplier record in AAAPOS RetailManager. The Suppliers window displays the Stock, Received, Returned, and Orders tabs. At any point, you can select any transaction in the grid to view the detailed transaction information for that supplier. You also have options to view the cost price, with tax inclusive or tax exclusive. You can also view transactions for a supplier in the Lookup window in the Goods, Returns, and Orders tab, where you can enter the date range, product, etc.